Yo, how's it going, guys? It's Exuler here, and I'm bringing you guys another video today on the most powerfulest virus there is that you can make in Notepad. And guys, this virus pretty much it's weird. It's like a bot, but like you can't control the bot or anything. All I'm pretty sure it does is go in your computer or your C drive and then just keep clicking it and clicking it and clicking it until you turn it off. And then when you turn it off, I'm pretty sure it's a malware that's not it's a malware that can't be fixed or deleted. And what it would look like is it would just keep clicking this, for instance, or something like that. Like it would just keep clicking in your hard drive, clicking out, clicking back in, and you can't control your mouse. It's not as bad as all those other professionally made viruses, but it is a virus to look out for. And you guys may see a virus. This is a pretty dangerous virus, guys. And all you really have to do to make this an actual virus is you press save as first, and then save as type as all files, and this name you go to and then dot, you can name it whatever you want, but I just named mine CD virus dot BAT,